Hi everybody! Today I will share with you an easy way to sew your slippers together. First we will do the toes. So we will go with the wool needle and just grab the edge of your work. So you could do that with the square from crochet, knitting, or from a sewing machine tube. Only need to be square or rectangle depending of the size of your your feet. So we go just like this, grabbing some stitch there. I did that with all the scrap yarn I have, so just grab it. It's very easy to do slippers. This is very easy, but some people don't get it, so today I decided to take the time to show. So now it's time to pull like this. Be careful not to break your yarn. So you do a double knot tight, and then you will sew the top of your slippers. It's very important. Some people do that when they start. They go and sew half of it and you cannot fit your feet after. So it's very easy, but you don't go till the half of your slippers. You stop way before that. So I go closer. As you can see, I just grab half of the stitch of each side, and then I will go like this. And when I have enough, see, it's not the middle, just the toe. So I will go and do a knot. I'm going through the loop, put it tight, and then I come back on my sewing. So I will do a cross. I did one side and now I do the cross. Go the other side till I reach the middle of the toe. Like this, continue. And when I reach my other tail of yarn, I will be able to attach it together with a double knot to make sure it's very secure. I did that video with my cell phone, so that's why it's not the same quality, but it still works. So we finished the toe, so now we will do the heel part. So we'll start here, there, both sides are together. I'm sewing it. Grab one stitch on the side and one stitch on the other side. Make sure that you don't miss any, so you don't end up with a hole in it. So we go and going down to the heel, stretch it a little bit, and continue. So I'm making the heels here. So I didn't show how to do the slippers. Oops, there's a little ditch here. Sorry for that. I just noticing it now. It's like I redo this part. It's okay. I will just go and continue. Grab it. And when I reach the end of it, I will come back on my sewing. There. And the heel. And you could do a knot and come back like this. The slippers are not hard to do. Some beginners usually think it's very hard, but it's not. Those slippers I did in crochet at work with all the scrap yarn I had available, so that's why it's all different color, but it's still cute. You will see both side by side at the end, and they look great. It's gonna be for my little granddaughter. She asked for slippers when she come here, So she will have her own now. So I do a double knot, and now it's time to hiding those little tail of yarn. So with my wool needle, I come back and just go in between stitches and put that in my wool needle and pull. I really like this wool needle. I use it like 7 or 8 years now. Those are my favorite. They come in pack of 3. You got a big one, a smaller one, and a middle one. I always use the middle one. So we'll go and hide the other tail, and then I will cut the excess. Oop, it was stuck too tight. It's okay. And then I cut the excess, and I will go hide the tail of yarn that is still on the toe. So we'll go and grab stitches just like this and pull on it. Voila. And do the same for the other tail. I cut this part, sorry. So now it's time to flip it on the other side. So it will look like this. Ta-da! I got one. And now I got 2. Magie, magie. So see you next week for a brand new video. Don't give up. And ciao, ciao. There's always a way.